Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm pretty sure that everyone uses one of these. And I'm pretty much sure that most persons throw away these. Well, do you know that they can be used in the garden? Georgia, do you know that? We're going to use them today for... Yes.
Remember we used them on the decoration. Remember that video, guys?
Not decoration, but we're going to use them as our nursery pots. So we can use these. Instead of buying nursery pots, you can use your tissue roll as nursery pots, and these will decompose in the soil. So not to worry, they can be used. And we're going to do that just now. Right, so we're going to flatten the tissue roll. Flatten the tissue roll.
It's like pizza.
Like pizza? I'm making pizza.
It's like it's gonna go like pizza.
All right. So let's have some creases at both sides.
So fast, Mommy.
What?
You fucking go so fast.
Okay.
You fucking so fast.
Nine. All right, and then we're going to fold it in half.
Wait.
Careful.
It is enough.
That's enough. We're going to fold it in half.
Yes? Don't push on me. I'm just so slow. Just so slow. Guys, you know I'm
You're
just so
slow?
slow.
We're going to do... Okay. We're going to cut along all the four creases. Right here, right here, right here, right here, and right here. All right?
Can I do my own?
Yes. That's about a 1 inch. About 1 inch.
And guys, guess how old I am? I'm 5 years old and I'm almost 6 to be a party. Party birthday. Party birthday. You better hurry up now so I feel crazy.
All right, about 1 inch. I'm going to fold.
I thought you cut outfits. What's that?
No, just about 1 inch. So I'm going to fold.
Don't do that. Don't stop me.
Oh, without you? All right. You need help, right? So this is a big scissors for you, so let me help you. Cut from the bottom, because this flap is coming out. So cut from the bottom. Do your cut from the bottom.
Right
So
here?
cut right there at the crease.
Tell me when to stop.
Okay.
Stop?
No, I said okay. You said tell me when to stop. So I said okay. Go ahead.
Keep going.
Keep going. Mind your finger. Oh, stop now. Cut right here along that crease. The scissors is too big for you. Stop, stop, stop. Cut right there. Can't find the smaller scissors. Somewhere inside the house.
I wish we had small
Alright,
scissors.
stop. And right along this crease. Alright, that's it. That's it, I think. Just a little bit more. Let me do that part.
Okay.
Alright, so what you're going to do now, we're going to fold. So we have 4 pieces to fold in. That's 1.
No, I know it.
No? Okay. Fold them in. Right. And we create a little nursery pot. Just like that. That's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect.
I know.
You know, but you want to be perfect?
Let's do that.
Alright.
Got it.
Got it?
Yes.
Alright.
Hope it stays.
Alright, yeah, it will stay. We're going to moisten it a bit. But we're gonna put some salt in it first. That's fine, because we're gonna put them in this container. So we're gonna put some salt
What
in
about
it.
they're gonna take over?
They're gonna top it over, but we're gonna put some salt in it to help it.
It's overflowing.
That's okay. Don't get upset. I'll show you what to do.
No.
I will help you, I said. Look. So I'm gonna put some soil. Alright. You wanna put some soil in there? And let me use my hand. And if you want, you can use your hand too. Goes faster.
Yeah. So I'm not slow anymore.
Right. I'm gonna add it right there. It will topple. So get a better container that can stand upright.
Like you just did.
Alright, so we have one there. I'm gonna make about 2 more. That's JoJo's. Ah, that's okay. We're gonna fix that for you. We're gonna fix that for you. Put more soil in.
Don't do me.
And flatten the tissue roll. And then fold it in half.
Don't use the scissors first.
Don't use the scissors first. You're beating me to it. Okay.
Guys, you know Mom always knew that I would win.
You're always winning and I'm losing. You always win and I'm always losing. Okay. Alright. Careful.
I'm
Alright.
gonna add some fun in this.
So I'm gonna, can I borrow your scissors to cut mine? Because I'm ready.
I'm fine.
You ready?
Right scissors.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Tell me when to stop.
See them.
Tell me when to stop.
Yes, I know. This one is coming up hard, but go ahead.
Tell me to stop.
Stop. Okay. Go ahead. Ah, my finger. Stop. Go ahead. Stop. And then this one.
This will be a tough one.
Yes, it's a tough one.
Because that's it too. Whoa.
Alright, stop. There you go. There you go.
It's actually floating over.
So I'm adding some water down here. So the bottom is a bit moistened. A bit moistened, so it won't topple over so much. No, I'm gonna take out the excess water pretty soon. It's okay, Jojo.
Okay. You can see what it
Put more
is.
soil. I'll see when it tears. No, it's okay. This cardboard is very strong. And
No, it's not. Usually it tears, remember. Top it off.
we have 4, so we're going to sow some seeds in these.
Make a hole first.
Hold on, wait. Let's put some more soil in here.
Because you're pushing it. I'll get ready. Well, I'll get
So we're
prepared.
just doing 5.
Give you 6.
No, that's 5. We can hold one more in the pot.
One more is the way.
So we cut along the crease about an inch.
A dirt ball. Instead of snowball. Oh, see, it's not working. Ah.
And then we fold in as in.
Snowball fight.
Alright, get some salt. Let me get some salt, please.
The lump is in there.
It's a lump?
Yeah. And you just... This extra part. Clean off the extra.
That's okay.
I'm just helping, you know. I'm
I
just
know.
helping.
Just helping. I know you're helping.
Weed.
Okay, we have 5. I'm going to throw away the excess water at the bottom. Let me get this one a bit
You can't
moist.
keep dirty stuff on the table.
Of course, we're going to wash off the table.
I forgot I wash it out.
Alright, let me throw away the excess water.
Everybody, cover your ears.
Okay, we're ready to plant. Joanna Joy.
Okay, I'm just
Let's start with this seed. Can you read what is there?
sweet banana pepper.
Right, so sweet banana pepper.
So the banana's gonna be peppery.
Bananas on the peppery? No,
Couldn't say
it's not
pepper with the
banana. It's
banana.
a sweet pepper in the shape of a banana.
Oh, gotcha.
Gotcha.
Clean the floor. I mean, clean the pictures. You have to get one of these pictures off.
All right, so
Guess
based
what
on
are
the
these pictures of?
based on the size of the seeds, I'm going to just make a small hole.
I want you to do that too.
Want to do that too?
When you're finished looking at my next time, don't. Oh, you just did this. I thought it was a good seeds. Let me put
Put
one.
one. Okay,
too.
come take this one.
What?
Put it right here.
So I
Take
can
use a
put it
fingertip. Yeah, use a fingertip like this. Fingertips. I take it. Oopsie. One fell. Where it is? Where did it go? Where did it go? Going seed hunting. Oh, it fell in right in. There it is.
Get it quick.
There it is.
Get it.
There it is.
Just get
Right
it.
here.
Oh, what's my gross?
Yeah, yeah.
What's my gross? It's very thin.
Very thin. Very small. Oops. Where it is? Oh, see it there. Let's use a little bit of soil to cover it up. That's
I
a
know
little bit. That's a little bit. Okay, good job. All
No
right.
percent.
All right, this one now. Do this one. Do this one. It's there. It's there. Okay. Okay, that's it. And then do
That's
this
sweet.
one.
The seeds are going to bed.
Okay. No, I think that has enough dirt. But if you want to get other dirt, okay. And then this one, for this one.
What happens if we put so many seeds in this one?
Just want one.
What happens if we
they will not grow properly because they will competing for space. They will competing for space. I don't want the plants to
Guess
grow
what
properly.
these pictures are?
All right. So the last
Guess what
one I'm
these
going to
pictures
put.
are, Mommy?
Not sure. What?
Can I give you a clue?
All right. Before we do that, the
Okay.
last seed will be a beetroot seed.
I know that already.
That's already.
I didn't know this would be too messy. Let's dump it.
Okay. Wait.
Dump, dump,
This
dump,
is a
dump,
beetroot.
dump, dump,
Wait.
dump.
Careful.
You still dump
This
it?
is a beetroot seed. I'm gonna put it right here. Cover it up. Cover, and that's it. This one has enough soil. All right,
Hello.
good job.
I got the professional way.
All right, so we're gonna put some beetroot seedlings in this cup.
We'll get enough dirt. And then we can dump it on the table.
No, we're not gonna dump it.
That makes sense. Remember, we're gonna clean the table.
Yes.
The dump is clean. Remember, you dump the things on the table.
That's it.
I want to do the whole.
Want to do the whole? All right, make about
guys.
how many seeds here? Make about 5 holes.
Okay. Do I get one?
Not so deep. Not so deep. All right.
2, 3, 4.
5. Here.
You
What
put
is
it
it saying?
this time. I'm gonna make my sandcastle. But not
That
on
one's
the
are
table.
pretty deep, you know. That one's pretty deep.
It's okay. Maybe that's supposed to be long.
All right, so that's about it, guys. We have our
Nursery rhyme cups.
what kind of cups?
Nursery rhyme cups.
Nursery rhymes, nursery pots. Okay, from our tissue roll.
Nursery rhyme.
No, nursery pots from our tissue roll. So this is just one way you can garden on a budget using the very thing that you have in your house or that you actually that will actually be thrown out. Right. So as easy as that, gardening on a budget, gardening on a budget with your own nursery pot. Tissue roll. Okay?
I'm gonna think of my ending.
You wanna think of your ending? So you wanna do the outro for this video.
Remember
Okay.
I said next time we're gonna do it?
Okay, yes, you did say
I
that.
wash my hands.
You didn't wash your hands and come back to see the ending? Okay.
Think of it.
Okay.
Hi guys, I hope you like this video. Bye, and start to garden at one container at a time.
See you soon.
Bye. The
Alright.
next video.
I take care everyone. Bye bye. See you pretty soon.
The next video.
And remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, and do.
Did I do that last time?
Yes, you did.
Okay.
You're confusing me. All right. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Okay. We'll see you pretty soon. Bye.
Ready? You're funny. Good thing it's not. I was on mist. It's on mist. Oh, check it out. Oh, it's on. Bye.
Oh, Jonah, really?
What?
Stop.